Ella, what are you doing? Look, El, it's Siruna. Pumpkins, hello, say hi to people. Ah, hi. Hesa, there are more people here, Ella, this side, look. Look, Jana. Hi, here, kids. This side, kids, Ella, look. Ellachka, kids here. Oh, hi. There, look. Ella, look at the big spider. Ella, look at the big spider. Did you see? There, you're not looking when I'm telling you, so. Oh, look, we're gonna be in the corn maze. So beautiful, look at the flowers. Ellachka, look at how beautiful it is. Ooh. Yeah, I'm making a video here. Look at that scary Rudy. Look, we are going. Look at that. Oh. What's that, Ella? What's those? Look. Nine. Pumpkin head. That has a pumpkin head. Do you see? You can't see Hessa. Nine. Look. This one right here. You can't see. Whoa, that has a sun. That was a sun head. Ooh. Wow, she's going round and round. Old MacDonald's had a farm. Yeah.